I'm Tavish McDougall. I'm the lead of the Scottish NAEC team, and I was very pleased to meet you all in the telecon earlier. So I'd like to introduce you all to our NAEC team, and we'll be chatting to you all during the upcoming Shaw-IAU Workshop. So this is our NAEC team here. This is me, Tavish McDougall in the middle. I'm the chair, and I'm a high school teacher at Kilsyth High, just outside of Glasgow. We also have Moira Farquharson. She is a primary school teacher in Peterhead in the northeast of Scotland. Our contact person is Morag O'Connell. She works at the Glasgow Science Centre, which is a science centre based in Scotland's largest city that specialises in science and technology education for children and young people. We have Shoaib Khan. He also works in the west of Scotland in Coatbridge Academy, where he is a physics teacher. Well, Scotland is famous for having landscapes like popular with tourists and for, well, other iconic attractions. We're a small country of 5 million people in northwest Europe, and most of the people live between Edinburgh and Glasgow in the central belt or on the coast between Edinburgh and Aberdeen. We also have areas in the north and west of the country, as well as several island groups, which are very sparsely populated. So these produce a different challenge when, in terms of education, in reaching schools that may only have 3 or 4 pupils in a primary school class or even less. We also have areas, especially between Edinburgh and Glasgow, that are former mining or industrial areas where we have quite a lot of poverty and quite a lot of poor exam results for school children there. Astronomy is not a separate subject in Scottish schools. In primary school, it's part of environmental sciences, where we are working to improve the level of teaching and the teaching materials available for pupils learning about the sun and the moon and also other planets. In secondary schools, astronomy falls into physics, and we're looking to work with our colleagues at the OAE and in other countries to try and learn how to improve the quality of astronomy education within the physics curriculum, specifically around things like gravity and also how the Big Bang is taught to secondary school pupils. So again, this is the Scottish NAEC team, and if you feel like getting in contact with us about anything that you think your country might have in common with our education system, then please let us know.